Are you tired of worrying about your graphics card sagging or damaging your PC setup? The Acer GPU support bracket is designed to keep your graphics card perfectly supported, preventing sag and ensuring long-term stability. This simple addition can protect your investment and improve your system's performance. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy with an anodized finish, this bracket is built to last. Unlike plastic alternatives, it resists rust and wear, providing a sturdy foundation for your GPU. The durable materials mean you get reliable support that won't fail over time, giving you peace of mind every time you power on your rig. What sets this support bracket apart is its precise adjustability. With 0.5 mm incremental height adjustments, you can customize the fit to your specific graphics card and case. The large 14.7 mm diameter support rod offers superior strength, handling heavier GPUs with ease. It's a flexible solution that adapts to your setup without hassle. Installation couldn't be easier. Thanks to the tool-free hand-tightening design, you can calibrate the height in about 30 seconds. The spiral support rod and fixing ring help you find the perfect angle, so your graphics card stays level and secure. Plus, silicone pads on both ends protect your hardware from scratches and damage. The bracket also features a powerful magnet at the base that firmly attaches to your chassis. This magnetic hold acts as a double safeguard, keeping the support bracket locked in place even during system movement or transport. It's a thoughtful design that combines strength with protection. If you're serious about maintaining your PC's performance and longevity, this Acer GPU support bracket is worth a look. It's an easy upgrade that prevents costly damage and keeps your graphics card stable under heavy loads or long gaming sessions. Plus, the sleek black anodized finish blends seamlessly with any build. Your purchase comes with an 18-month warranty, backed by Acer's dedicated support team ready to assist within 18 hours. That means you're covered for the long haul and have expert help just a message away. If you want a reliable, no-fuss solution to GPU sag, this bracket delivers. If that's you, consider adding the Acer GPU support bracket to your setup. It's a small investment with big benefits: protect your graphics card, simplify installation, and enjoy lasting durability. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your PC's stability and safeguard your hardware.